Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to turn off ads or the personalized ads. So first of all, let's turn off the personalization. So we have to open the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find this Google section. Let's tap on it. And then tap on all services. Scroll down and find ads. And here, first of all, reset advertising ID, so your device will not show you personalized ads. So just tap on confirm, and after that, delete the advertising ID to be sure. So of course, here you can read about removing it. Just tap on delete, and as you can see, it will disappear. And the second thing which I can recommend is to use the AD guard. So we have to open the settings. Let's go to the top to find connection and sharing. And here we have to localize the option which is called Private DNS. So basically, it is normally used, the automatic option is normally used, but we will set a specified DNS which can block the ads and offers. So all we have to enter is to tap on dns.adg without a space, because that's a adguard.com. Tap on save and it will be added. Be aware, because sometimes, for example, your Wi-Fi provider could block DNS or there might be some problems with the private DNS. However, if everything is all right, then it is a really nice option to block the ads. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.